Hi Gary, it's Courtney the speech pathologist, and I'm going to assist you with making your community request cards for Ron's everyday communication needs. What are community request cards? Request cards are small personal cards containing information that a person wants to share with another individual in the community. They include written requests with relevant pictures to increase the understanding of the request. You may be wondering why these request cards will be so beneficial. As you can see on the slide, there are many reasons why I would be recommending these communication aids for Ron. Being non-electronic allows Ron to use them wherever he goes without the reliance of a battery life. This also makes them easy to use for Ron and his communication partners, which will help him communicate his needs and wants. They are also specific to the person, are low cost, and will increase Ron's independence for communication in the community. So what makes a good request card? Firstly, the card should be specific to Ron and his interests. This makes sure that Ron can deliver his intended message and his communication partners understand each request. They also need to be relevant to each situation that Ron attends. For example, he may have a group of cards relevant to what he will need at a football game. The words on the cards should be easy to read with concise requests. The cards should also be an appropriate size to ensure they are simple to use every day. This may mean that they are cut into sizes small enough to put into Ron's wallet. Therefore, they could be the same size as a business card. And lastly, they need to be reusable to reduce cost and time by reproducing the cards. On this slide, I have also suggested some things to avoid when making the cards. These are cursive writing, small writing, difficult words to understand, and long paragraphs. But why make them on the computer? Using a Word document on the computer means it is low cost to make the cards, easy to repeat the process, and is not time-consuming. There is also no additional apps or devices required. So how can you make them at home? It's simple with just these 5 steps. Step 1. As I see you are able to use email, I will be sending through an attached copy of the file shown on the right. I have made this template on a Word document to make it easier for you to make more cards in the future. I have also done some examples in the template to help guide you with the process. Once you open the file, simply enter some text at the top to type your request. When this is completed and you would like to add a photo, click on the Insert Photo tab on the Word document. If you don't have any relevant pictures on your computer, you may need to search them beforehand on Google and save them to your Pictures folder. Repeat this for all your required request cards. Step 4. Print and cut the cards. And lastly, to make sure the cards are reusable, Step 5 is to laminate the cards or place them in a small plastic pocket. Here are some examples I have made for Ron. I will now show you how I did this. This is a Word document that I will be sending. Here you type in your request. This is easy to read and understand by the communication partner. Then insert a picture from your file. Picture of some ham. And you may need to make it smaller so that it stays at the same size. And this can be repeated until all your request cards are completed.